Namaste, good morning, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today I'm here to bring you some balance into your body. So let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned.
So today's asana is all about balancing because I got some requests that they're practicing yoga but it's difficult to do some of the asana, especially in the standing position, standing asanas, and wherever the balance applies, they are unable to do. So today we are going to do the balancing asana, which is going to activate the neurons in your brain, and then normally the balance works very fast. So if you, let's say, start doing the asana today, in 1 week you should see a very good result. Now, as we practice these balancing asana, again, make sure that your stomach is empty. If it's not empty, then pause the video and come back after 4 hours. So make sure that your stomach remains empty, and also you have some water with you so that you can drink if you need any water. So let's get started. First of all, as I prefer always to start with the grounding practice, which is already helping me balancing. So sitting down in comfortable position, make sure your back, neck and spine is nice, stretched and straight. Your hands can be anywhere, whether in front or on the knees, and just take a moment before we begin. Take a moment to become aware of your body. See what you're feeling. How do you feel at the moment? And what you're going to feel after the yoga practice. In this way, it will motivate you to continue practicing yoga if you feel uplifted, energetic, and more balanced after the practice. That's right. Now gently open your eyes. Let's go ahead and stand up and we do some standing asana first. So come onto the mat, make your feet about hip wide open, and bring your focus in front, whether about 3 to 5 feet away from you, or go ahead straight ahead wherever you want to look, but you're straight looking wherever you look. Focus, and that focusing will help you balance in your asana. And inhale, bring your arms up and stretch all the way. In the beginning, you're gonna feel a little bit mumbling and not so easy to balance, but it's going to come soon. If you just practice this for about 1 week, as I said, the balance is coming. Make sure that you keep breathing, you are not choking yourself, you're not trying to lift too much that you start to have your lungs squeezed, so shoulders remain down. Nice smile on your face. Because we're doing something good, something interesting and healthy for your body. That's right. Exhale down. Shake your leg. Get them ready to do next asana, which is tree pose, the Vrikshasana. Take your left leg, bring it onto your right thigh. Now the focus, you can put about 2 to 3 feet away from you. So go ahead, place wherever. And once you place your focus, it's going to be grounded. Palm together. And with a nice smile, inhale and bring your arms up, shoulders down. Exhale, release, come down and change the leg. Right foot comes onto the left thigh. Focus. Palm together. Once you're ready, inhale, bring your arms up and shoulder down. Exhale, release. Come down. Shake the leg up. Now, simply take your left leg once again and try hold it. And try bring this knee slightly down and just balance onto your one leg. As you do in this way, and it's activating the neurons on the right side for your left brain. If you can lift now the higher the leg, go ahead to it. Just different movement will help balancing different or activating different neurons. That's right. Release. Change the leg. Bringing this leg up. Knee down and just balance. Now lifting the knee up, opening the feet slightly away. And come down. So remember that in the beginning it's definitely going to be not easy, but it's not impossible. So what you can do, you can go ahead, stand by the wall. So whenever you need the wall, let's say you're standing like this and suddenly you start falling, you take your hand onto the wall, or you even do it this way, you hold with one hand the wall. So there are all kind of possibilities you can do in the beginning. But you need to make sure that you're practicing every day, regular, and slowly you will see how you don't need the wall and how easier it's going. Every day you can see that it does improve that way. Comment below and let me know. Say yes, it does. If it doesn't, say no. Let's continue. Turn around. So, come onto the right foot. We will do just a gentle dancing Shiva, the Natrajasana. So you're bending the leg and the left leg, hold the left ankle. Inhale, right arm up and balance here for about 10 seconds. Once you've done the 10 seconds, slightly forward and just stay there. Don't need the perfect Natrajasana, not in the beginning. We are building the balance. Then release. Each of them you can hold for between 10 to 30 seconds or longer, whatever is easier in your body, whatever you comfortable with. Changing the leg. Holding here, 10 seconds. And then gently forward. Slide, not so much. Because as you move from standing to slide forward, that you already need your another neurons to be activated. Gently come back. Shake your leg. Sit down. Now we will do some more asana, some more balancing asana in the sitting position. So the balancing is not only in the standing, there are also asana you can practice in sitting position. For example, Virabhadrasana is perfect balancing asana. So for that you're going to bring the left foot under your hips and right foot remains the way it was before, and you take left hand onto the left knee, right elbow onto the right knee, relaxing your face onto your hands and relax. Balance. Again, gazing somewhere is going to be helpful for you, so go ahead and do that. Changing the leg, changing the side. So now bend the knee and you sit onto the right foot, bringing your left knee, left foot by the side like this, and relaxing in the asana, knowing that your balance is going to work out soon and you can easy to balance any asana and into your life. That's right. Now gently bend your left knee as well. Go into the Vajrasana. Bring your hands onto your knee, chest nice, stretch, back straight. And now we will close your eyes. You will close the eyes and gently focus onto the body. Remember, focusing is what balance is. So if your focus is already steady, balanced, that means the asanas are going to be balanced as well. So close your eyes, focusing your mind onto the balance, balancing your mind, your body, allowing yourself to be more balanced. Asking your brain to activate those neurons that needs balance, whether in your asanas, in your body, or in your life. Gently open your eyes. So keep practicing these easy, simple asanas, which might seem like really difficult in the beginning, but don't worry about if you are feeling really imbalanced or your asanas are not so balanced. It's very easy to feel that way and get lost ourselves and get, because of the fear, fear takes over. So make sure that the fear doesn't take over you and you take over the fear. Practice the asana whether you can or you can't. Take whatever support you need, whether wall, or if you are not by the wall, you're somewhere else. Find what there is. Take the support in the beginning. When you keep practicing with the support, your balance is coming and you are going to be able to do anything that you like. Okay? So keep practicing them and keep me updated how it's going. Don't forget to comment below to let me know whether yes, balance, or no, balance with the asana. But I'm sure I'm gonna have many yeses. And also don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and also click the bell icon next to it so that you can receive each video as soon as I publish. Thank you very, very much for joining me at the Yoga with Amit, and I look forward to see you in my next video. Namaste.